guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me again on another DIY. So I am going to do 2 candle holders for you today. I'm excited because these are Dollar Tree DIY Glam candle holders that you can use for the holidays. Fall is almost here, Christmas is almost here, and they are 2 of my favorite holidays. So I'm excited to begin to start doing some DIYs prepping for our upcoming holidays. So let's jump right into our first DIY. What you will need is 2 of the Dollar Tree foam bowls. Now, they come in this little bag and it has, I want to say 3, 5, 6, 7. It has 7. Yes, 7 foam balls. So we're gonna use the large ones. You'll need 2 cups of your choice. These are the plastic ones. They're just, you can pull the legs off, which I think is so fabulous. I love that. I think Walmart sells them as well. You will need your Mod Podge glue and your glitter. This glitter, and I was about to say these because I've got several different glitter in here, because as I create DIYs, I normally keep a container that I dump all my leftovers and create something different and unique. So I can't tell you what's in it, but just combine a bunch of glitter of your choice that you would love to see. Now, you will need something to paint with. You can use the sponge paintbrush or you can use the regular. I love the regular ones, but I'm out, so I'm going to use the sponge. You will need paper towel or parchment paper, whatever it is you want to use to catch your glitter. You'll also need a disposable plate or cup. I like to just go ahead and pour my Mod Podge right onto my plate or my cup. It just makes it easier to work with. So I went ahead and spray painted my foam balls gold, and that held really well. I love the way that that looked, and I didn't expect it to hold up so well. So I am pleasantly surprised and happy that that turned out well. So I just want to lay that aside so it can continue to dry. Then I spray painted these cups. I went ahead and spray painted them rose gold, and I love the way that that turned out as well. I went ahead and sprayed the bottom as well. It is important to do that because you're going to use that side as well, and it's going to be visible. So go ahead and spray paint that side as well. Now what I want to do is start to add my Mod Podge. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that out of the way and begin to brush on my Mod Podge glue. Now we're only doing the outside. We're not going to do the top. We don't want to do the top. Just gonna leave that the way it is. So guys, I shared with you on the balls that I spray painted it gold, and now I want to remove them. I use a skewer in order for it not to get on my hand and not to mess up the paint as well. You will have a hole, but it's no worries because we are going to insert our balls, and we can use the same hole, and slowly So guys, I decided that I want to go ahead and add some more Mod Podge over where I connected both of the cups and add a few more glitter to it. Now, I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning that E6000 would be perfect for this because it will hold it really well, and also you would not have to deal with the glue spilling over as well as it does with your glue sticks. So go ahead and add your Mod Podge glue just so everything ties in together. Now, another thing I thought about as I was doing this is you could do all the work as far as go ahead and connect your cups and then spray paint and then add your Mod Podge and your glitter. You could do that as well if you prefer. But I think either way, it looks fabulous. I'm gonna go ahead, put a candle on here and let you take a look at this first candle holder. So this next DIY candle holder is similar to the one we just did. The difference, that one was the wine and this one is the margarita. So I went ahead and removed the legs. And first thing I want to do is go ahead and Mod Podge my ball. So I am not going to paint it as I did before. I'm going to try it with just the Mod Podge and the glitter. So put as much Mod Podge as you can. And I must tell you, I went ahead and poked my hole just the same way as I did before with the larger balls on the first candle holder. Once you've saturated that, you just go ahead and add your I'm I'm going with the same mixture as I did before. So guys, this is how it turned out. Love the way that they look. I'm gonna go ahead and let them sit and dry. And what I want to do, as I mentioned before, that I want to connect these two. Let's go ahead and put them in together. So this is how it turned out. I love the way it looked, and I went ahead and add one of the balls already. So now I want to add the other two balls, and you just want to insert it. And I don't know if I mentioned it in the first video, but I'm not sure on the second DIY if I mentioned that these are the same foam balls that came out of the Dollar Tree bag. So you can get two projects out of that one bag. So if you've been with me a little while now, you know I love creating candle holders. I have a fetish for candle holders, and so I love purchasing them, but I love creating them as well. And I must tell you that I absolutely love the way that these turned out. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share the videos with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and your comments. So please leave me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you on my next DIY.